Hello, Dorothy. This is the 2013 Subaru Impreza. 35,000 miles on this car. It is a very clean car. It's got the luggage rack on top, of course. It is a 5-speed. Car looks very nice all the way around. Nice clean interior. If you know anything about Subarus, they seem to stick around forever. My wife's had several Subarus, and a big fan of the Subaru myself. So 35,000 miles, 2013 Subaru Impreza 5-speed. I am Fuzzy at Burtness Chevrolet in Orfordville, Wisconsin. Let me get on the inside for you, show you what the interior looks like. Like I said, it's in very good shape. So hope that helps you. Fuzzy, Burtness Chevrolet, Orfordville, Wisconsin. 608-879-2973. Thank you. Thanks for looking today.